Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys all of the reworked items on the latest Dress to Impress update. So the first one is this top over here. It's been reworked. Let me put on some shorts to go with this. Okay, so this is the first item that's been reworked, this top. You can still color it like differently, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I guess not. Now it's only like one color, which I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, okay, I guess you can using patterns. Like so, it's still super cute. Second one is this top here. There's only now 2 toggles to it, which is 1 and 2. There used to be 3 toggles to that. Oh, sorry, 4 toggles. Let me just adjust this here a little bit so you guys can see the top. And then there's also this skirt toggle here. Sorry, this skirt that's been reworked as well. Some people are not a big fan of that. I know that. And then and then we have the tie here, which I don't know why they reworked. It's kind of pointless because now it's kind of like this, and you have to kind of rotate it yourself to make it so that the tie is kind of out of your outfit. I don't know. And also, we cannot forget this jacket over here. There's a few toggles to that as well. But those are the new, well, those are the items that's been reworked. I think the tie one is kind of pointless, but I don't know. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.